Gatsby Taxi, G35 or G37. Over here with Street Plugs. Had to save his life real quick, but caught it 4K. Let's see what if we can get closer on the track and stuff. We'll find out. Vibing in the middle of the field. The only thing that sucks is that at least over there I was kind of in the face. I mean, you can tell who wins and who doesn't. But at least over there, for if you guys are pro drifters or you like drifting, my apologies. I know over there it was pretty cool. Over here it's kind of like for people who just watch cars. But still good angle, still cool places to be at. That's a sick drone, dude. It's crazy because it's all just custom made, put together like a RC car. Okay, vlog is all over the place today. Super amazing day out. Man, this little thing was out there sliding around, kicking rocks, hit the wall, not once but twice. That is so crazy, man. Look at that, the whole bash bar just went bent up and everything. Oh man, the carnage is real. It's got the NOS tank, the angle kit, the bumper just fell right off. Yeah, what? Weasley. The last time it was done. Wow, dude. So cool to see one of these cars up close in person. The little vents. That's crazy, man. Full on drift build. Found a Z over here. I hit the wall earlier. He lost. But, These taillights are weird. They're like single lights. I don't know, that's not how these usually look, but I like the livery on this thing. Looks pretty sick. That quarter is just gone, dude. Crunched. And then you have this one over here. Man. I think this is the one that went into the wall earlier. LSX intake. Full on LS engine. Wow. That's something to look at. It's so crazy that the way how the suspension is, it's different than a regular suspension. I mean, obviously, yeah, it's for drifting, but that custom stacked front end right here. Wow. Great. This is one of the champion things. Look at that wing. I was checking out this thing when it was sliding around. Ah, dude, that's so crazy. What's going on, man? How are you?
Hello.
Good. I was gonna say congratulations on your win.
Thank you.
Yeah. I was wondering, with your spare parts, could I possibly take a spare part? I have an FD tire at home. So, like when I went to Formula D over there in Long Beach, they had all the tires and everything stacked up for free and stuff like that. And I was wondering, I mean, like, I don't know, because I really love your car and everything out of all the different cars around here besides the Corvettes.
Thank you.
I was wondering, just like, I don't know, you know, if...
Oh, like a piece of the bumper?
Yeah, or like if you want the tail light or, you know... That would be sick.
Which one?
I'll probably take the tail and maybe like that little sliver of that bumper right there. Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Just so you have that livery right there.
That's all you.
That is dope. Oh my goodness. I'm like shaking and trying not to drop the camera and everything. Yeah, I appreciate that, man. Good luck. And are you going to go for the rest? You're going to be in the rest of them, right? You're going to win the rest of them.
We'll see. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, this is exciting. Look at that. Oh, man. Oh. But this is another one of his cars, but that's sick. Wow, NH_fab hooked it up, the S15 taillight, part of his car, his drift builds and everything. Man, this feels like a crazy, like, why am I holding this? Look at that, that would be nice. That's sick. See one of these in the States with the California plate is just insanely weird. Oh, looks like Homeboy in the R34 is here. These guys just showed up. Same thing with the Scat over there, or Hellcat. Cool. This guy's got the infinity lights on there, huh? Yeah. These are those lights that never end. Unless they're just halo rings, but it might be because they have that mirror finish to it.
Hey, Aaron, here's that Beamer.
Snake.
That's Pepper the school bus right there. She's also transformed. Looks like Jeff Jones' stage. The back of her opens up and you can load a full